Hey there, welcome to our guide on resetting AutoCAD to its default settings. If you've been having trouble or just want a fresh start, this is the place to be. Sometimes in AutoCAD, the interface elements such as the command line, icon view, cube, navigation bar, file tabs, or even the ribbon might disappear. Sometimes in AutoCAD, some settings might get changed by mistake or might get corrupted. In such a situation, the best solution is to reset the software. I'll show you how to reset AutoCAD. Just keep the cursor on the model space, then right-click and click on Options, or type OP for Option. Then you will get the Options dialog. You will click on Profile. Select the version of AutoCAD. Click on the Reset. Give confirmation. And there you have it. AutoCAD has been reset to its default settings, ready for you to unleash your creativity once again. Thanks for tuning in, folks. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Until next time, happy designing.